Hi, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something new-ish from Chef Woo! 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 Anyway, there's sweet chili Togarashi ramen, 20 grams organic plant-based ramen, vegan, made with organic ramen, good source of iron, no GMO, no MSG, no palm oil, and it's an excellent source of protein because it has 20 grams of protein in it. That's my guess. So let's take it. Where's that fill line? Ooh, it's way up there. Alright. Let's do this. You guys ever see that 5-hour energy commercial where the guy's putting his necktie on after being all sluggish and then he pounds a 5-hour energy? He just looks like crazy. He's all, let's do this. Ugh. I've never had a 5-hour energy. Are they any good? Are they good? Let me know in the comments below. I think it's 3 minutes. Right? Where's the lid? Here's the lid. Five minutes. Okay, when it goes off, I'll add 2 more. Is that good enough for you? Is that good enough? Okay. Gabish. So. The lid on top too, because you'll like that. Time for our quote from Momofuku Endo Speaks. The book's about quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 158. It is not enough to be strict. From now on, businesses will need to look after employees' feelings too. Preposterous. Feelings. Feelings are for cattle and love play, not fighting. It's 1:07 p.m. It was great because I was going to have my kid play hooky for the first class. In the second class, they're like, I'm sure most parents had the same thought. Dude, my kids are at home. They're doing homeschooling. I know. I'll let them watch the inauguration. Rather, I'll make them watch it. That's educational. They liked it, I think. I think they liked the music the most part. They really like classical music and this kind of like pa marching band music. They like that too. So that was cool. Did you guys like the whole president deal? They're on their tablets, so I shouldn't disturb them, lest they get crazy. And I can't do crazy right now. I'm way too tired. I've already walked 10 miles today. Usually I haven't by now. Oh. So my brother wrote a book. It's called The Tag on the Key. If you type in that in Amazon, you'll never find it because you'll find tags for keys. So if you go on Amazon, type in Tag on the Key, and then his last name, which is spelled Kopman, Kopman, you will find it. I don't know if you'll find both versions, but he's put it out. I got a copy of it, and it was book 1. Now he's decided, I'm going to put all 3 books in one book. So I've got like an ultra limited edition that I didn't think I was going to end up with. And then here's the second 2 minutes. There we go. That's working. But, yeah, go find The Tag on the Key with the last name Kopman on Amazon today. This is Wednesday. It's the day I usually yammer with him for a bunch of hours, but Not with what happened this morning. No, sir. Inauguration day? No way. I'm not. I gotta watch that. We can talk tomorrow, or we can talk later. That's fine. But yeah, I'll probably do. Yeah. Just beat. Kind of winded too. I don't know why. But yesterday I went and walked 17 miles. I did a single day challenge with these people, and I won. I like that. It's nice to win. My vision has just gotten worse and worse. I can't see nothing. It'll happen. It'll be good. For now, this Chef Wu. They're the ones who made Ramen Express, and I was really impressed with the pillow packs of that stuff. Still am. That's really, really good stuff. And these are pretty good too. Oh, I've only had one of them. I think it was braised beef. It was tasty. There we go. Alright. Sweet chili Togarashi. So if you want to, what the heck is Togarashi? I think it just means bland. Or spicy. Spicy blend. There's a lot of bits and pieces, as you can see, going on in here. Very vegetable laden. I definitely want to get all the stuff stirred up well. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump it in the pot. The noodle in the pot, the tag on the key. The noodle in the pot, the tag on the key. Remember, go buy The Tag on the Key today. It's a collection of the most fascinating short stories that you'll enjoy to no end. They will never end. You will love them, cherish them, tell your friends about them. And yeah. I don't get anything if he sells a book other than possibly a book about me. Which I don't think is the case. I don't know. But buy his book, would you? It could be good. It really could. It could be very good. Oh, and if you have to, if you're into buying books, you can get I don't even remember what it's called. Our friend Matthew Bella, the author, kind of snubbed the show today, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm not giving him a plug. So he can stuff it for all I care. So maybe I'll try to get him on in the next show and let him plug the one himself. These noodles look really hearty. Look at that. Yeah. 20 grams of protein, huh? Those are as hearty as they can be. I like that. It's very 70s. I don't know why that makes me say 70s, but it just reminds me of things that I think probably things tasted like when the macrobiotic and the real health food culture first started out. It's just got this really strong, earthy, good for you kind of thing going on. Yeah, that's good. I kind of want to eat all of it. kind of do. That's a trip. We'll use the Stumpy bowl. I got this bowl from him years ago. And honestly, I'm gonna say it's so like heavy, it really doesn't need anything added to it, but for the sake of presentation, you know. Yeah, I've got a couple more of this range to review over in the pile of amazing things. See, like this for me is kind of a nightmare bowl. Not in what the product is, but I like to display it outside of the cup, and it doesn't really lend itself so well to doing that. I mean, obviously, mung bean sprout? No way. No way, Jose. Since we're talking protein, there's a chunk of beef. Can't go wrong with a chunk of beef. And there we go. Some shichimi togarashi that came in a special thing. Try a little of this on there. Some trippy Togarashi, I gotta say. What do you think of that?
100% right.
Yeah, I know. That's what I do. Let's do a little sesame seed, and I think we're gonna call it a day on this protein-rich Chef Wu variety. Yeah. So, man, I just wish I had some way to like. We're calling it good. That's good enough for me. Good enough. Good enough. Yeah. There you go. Watch it spin. And that's the beauty of technology, ladies and gentlemen. I can let you watch something spin. You're not even here. You're not pushing it. I'm not spinning it. I'm just sitting here having a nice beverage. You're watching it. Everything's automated. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And yeah, that's about it. So have a good one. And bye for now.